Vicks NyQuil Cough is used for temporary relief of cough, sneezing, or runny nose due to the common cold, hay fever, or other upper respiratory allergies. It contains a non-opioid cough suppressant and an antihistamine to help you stop coughing and block allergy symptoms. It also has a drying effect. It's important to talk with your doctor before using this product for a chronic cough from smoking or a cough with too much/thick mucus. This product is not recommended for children under 6 years old, and some forms are not recommended for children under 12 years old. It's important to follow all dosage directions to decrease the risk for serious side effects. Do not use this product to make a child sleepy, and be sure to check the ingredients on the label even if you have used the product before. When taking Vicks NyQuil Cough, follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, take it as directed. Take the tablet, capsule, or liquid form by mouth with or without food. If stomach upset occurs, you may take it with food or milk. The dosage is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often than directed. Do not take more of this medication than recommended for your age. There are many brands and forms of this product available, so be sure to read the dosing instructions carefully for each product. If you are using the chewable tablets, chew each tablet well and swallow. If you are using the liquid form, measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/cup. Do not use a household spoon because you may not get the correct dose. If you are using a product made to dissolve in the mouth, place each dose on the tongue and allow it to dissolve completely, then swallow it with saliva or with water. If your symptoms do not improve after 7 days, worsen or return, develop a headache that doesn't go away, fever, or rash, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, get medical help right away. Some common side effects of Vicks NyQuil Cough include drowsiness, dizziness, blurred vision, nausea, vomiting, trouble sleeping, or headache. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If you experience any serious side effects such as fast/irregular/pounding heartbeat, mental/mood changes, seizures, shaking, or trouble urinating, contact your doctor right away. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember to contact your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Before taking Vicks NyQuil Cough, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have certain health conditions such as cough with a lot of mucus, chronic cough, glaucoma, difficulty urinating, diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, phenylketonuria, PKU, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. This medication may cause dizziness, drowsiness, or blurred vision, especially when combined with alcohol or marijuana. It is important to avoid driving, using machinery, or anything that requires alertness or clear vision until you can do it safely. Limit alcoholic beverages and speak to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid sugar, alcohol, or aspartame, be cautious when using liquid products, chewable tablets, or dissolving tablets/strips containing these substances. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Older adults and children may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, so it's important to monitor for drowsiness, dizziness, confusion, and problems urinating in older adults, and agitation/excitement in young children. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor, as it may pass into breast milk and have undesirable effects on a nursing infant. When taking Vicks NyQuil Cough, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Make sure to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Avoid taking certain MAO inhibitors with this medication, as it may cause a serious and possibly fatal drug interaction. Make sure to consult your doctor about when to start or stop taking this medication if you are also taking MAO inhibitors. Inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking other products that cause drowsiness, such as opioid pain or cough relievers, alcohol, marijuana, drugs for sleep or anxiety, muscle relaxants, or other antihistamines. Be sure to check the labels on all your medicines, including allergy or cough and cold products, as they may contain similar ingredients or ingredients that cause drowsiness. It's important to ask your pharmacist about using those products safely. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. Make sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this medication. If you or someone else has overdosed on Vicks NyQuil Cough and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include severe drowsiness, agitation, confusion, hallucinations, and seizures. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the best possible outcome. If your doctor has given you a prescription for this medication, it's important not to share it with others. It's important to note that this medication is intended for temporary use only. It's not recommended to use it for more than 7 days without consulting your doctor first. If you forget to take Vicks NyQuil Cough at your regular time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just wait and take your next dose as usual. Don't take extra medicine to make up for the missed dose. When it comes to storing Vicks NyQuil Cough, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. And when it comes to getting rid of expired or unused medication, be sure to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. It's important not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.